Down news dictation. 3, 2, 1, start. In an attempt to put all speculations regarding a purported extension for Chief Justice of Pakistan Qazi Faiz Isa to rest, PPP Chairman Bilawal Bhutto Zardari on Tuesday said his struggle for constitutional courts was not for the sake of one individual, rather aimed at arresting delays in the delivery of justice. The PPP chairman also made it clear that his demand for constitutional courts was not new, pointing out that the creation of such a court would allow the judiciary to pay attention to constitutional matters without compromising on the cases of the common man. Mr. Bhutto Zardari, who was on a 2-day visit to Quetta, expressed these views while addressing the Balochistan High Court bar. History was witness to the fact that judges did not allow Parliament to draft laws concerning the judiciary. New para. But looked the other way when military rulers amended the constitution, he said, explaining that the judicial reforms would also ensure accountability within the legal community. Pakistan needed constitutional courts at federal and provincial levels, he said, highlighting the need to put an end to the concept of sacred cows within the judicial and military systems. He warned that discussions about setting up of military courts would resurface if the judicial system did not improve. Military courts were proposed when the judiciary was deemed incapable of bringing terrorists to justice, he added. In this situation, the demand for constitutional courts was not an attempt to target one specific judge but a necessary reform that the country needed, the PPP chairman said. New para. Adding that the goal was to ensure a judiciary that functions independently and provides justice efficiently. PPP is committed to seeing these reforms through and will continue its struggle to ensure that justice and democracy prevail in Pakistan, he said. Lauding the sacrifices and struggle of lawyers in Balochistan for strengthening the democracy, he said the judiciary should be free from the influence of any entity that wears a uniform or wields a weapon. He said he had a deep connection with the lawyers of Balochistan and recalled that he visited Quetta for condolence after the terrorist attack on lawyers, but his tears were met with ridicule at that time. The end.